Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Learndash versus Sensei video and which one you should go for. We're gonna first up go over their features for Learndash pricing. As you can see, the basic starts for 200 a year, plus is 400 and pro is 800. And the benefits is that you get one site for basic, 10 site for plus, and unlimited site for pro, which depends on you. Sensei, they have a free option, which is very good. The pro is that you have $15 for 1 year, which is very good, and you have advanced features, things like that, which obviously compared to Learndash is very much less. And then for Sensei bundle, which is $34 a year, again you get the core features, you get the advanced LMS features, and it also includes hosting. Now, for some of the more features, native theme or demo content support is not available for Learndash, but migration is available for Learndash. You get it on Tutor LMS, LearnPress, Sensei, which you don't on Sensei LMS, as you can see. Next up, as you can see, all these features are same, but the front-end builder is not available for Sensei. Quizzes import and export is not available for Sensei as well. And then the quiz types, as you can also see, there's a slight difference. Quiz hint, answer explanation, quiz data board, again, not available for Sensei, which is kind of bad. It's a good feature to have. Next up, built-in order system is available for Learndash. You get Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, which you don't on Sensei. Now, and the last but not the least, easy digital downloads and Restrict Content Pro are not available for Sensei, but these things are available for Learndash. So it ultimately comes down to your preferences. In my opinion, Learndash is the better option because you get way more integrations. But if pricing is really an issue for you, then obviously Sensei LMS is a no-brainer. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.